want the green, no, I print it. I can't be around nobody that can only see the win. I'm on my way to where the AutoZone to get the oil change for the G8. What's the store star? Hey, it's cooked. I'm gonna be under the car for a long time. I'm probably looking dusty right now, but shit. Fuck y'all.
What?
We on the road. And here it's on like, it's not on operation temperature, but shit. Alright, I'm at AutoZone now. Finna grab this oil, finna show y'all what y'all can get for y'all stuff. Show y'all what y'all gotta grab.
No, tell me that oil. I'm trying to see if I can get
Edge.
Yeah.
Y'all think about that? Y'all think that's good oil? Alright, so this is what I put in mine. I put in a G8 STG. It's still good, 5W30. I got like, how many of these I got? Okay. I got like 3 of these. Oh, I'm gonna invest in this. 13 quarts? Oh yeah. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, yeah. So, pop the trunk.
You stupid n***. Nice.
But I say leave it loose. For right now, I'm gonna go get my tool bag. Be right back. Hey, so
3. Remove string from bag, releasing the winds.
Check.
That seems...
alright, what you gonna need is this. I got my breaker bar to get this off. It's a 24 millimeter. G6. Look, gotta go get my breaker bar. Harbor Freight breaker bar. 3/8.
Nope.
It does do the job. Look. Alright, got it on there. I'm gonna crack it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Screw it off. Should be able to screw off from there. Alright, this is our oil filter. I say just leave it tight until you look at that. I say leave it loose till you get like under there. So what you need for this? A 15 millimeter.
Nope.
Got the wrench with the adapter on it. Now you need the 15 millimeter, which is, well, I got it right here.
Yeah.
Right here, 15 millimeter.
Bro, what's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga.
Set to the left side. So you're gonna get under there. Pull it down. But you gotta get in there. You got this right here.
Nice.
This will do wonders for y'all. See, there. Got a loose just with this bar right here. Stick your wrench in there. Extension. You want to bring the oil pan a little bit, you know, so it don't. You feel me?
No.
Yeah.
No.
You want to shoot like. Here, I'll do the rest of my hand. Make sure I got that boy in the right spot. And you wanna, little sun dripping out right there. It's gonna shoot. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna shoot. So, here we go. Get some on the ground, but it's alright. Get some on the ground. Alright, I got a lot on my hands. Oh! Ew, dude! But it's alright. We got that out the way. Little spillage, but we good. Alright. As the oil start to like release more, you gotta pull it back. Like, just pull it back while you're right here. Right in there. Instead of on the ground. Cause I made that mistake before. And I messed up my phone doing that. I gotta throw another container under there when it's time to pull it out. So, I'm gonna set this butt to the side. 15mm butt. Alright, it's getting up there. Get ready to pull it out and transfer it for this Kelly litter tray. Alright, I gotta put y'all down, hold up. Carefully pull it out. Oh yeah, and don't forget. You could fully take out the cap. Without fully take out, just leave it loose. I ain't got cap.
Bro, what's wrong with him?
That's the coolant. Let me check it. I don't know what I ain't gonna check it right now. It's probably still hot. Yeah. So I'm about to start getting that clean. Getting the oil filter clean. Get ready for the new one. All right. Dispose of the old one. What I'll do, clean a little bit in here.
What the fuck?
I want to do it with tissue because, you know, the flakes, but I clean it like the threads up a little bit. Get that old oil out of there.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I did my best. Shit, fuck it. Grab your oil filter. Grab your oil filter. No matter if you use old oil or new oil. Just get my finger. Dip some on that seal. Get that boy oil up. Throw some on this rubber side. Pop it back in here. Like so.
Nice.
Alright, that boy popped it back in there. You want to screw back on. Up across the threads. Alright. Tighten that boy up. Alright, when you drain out the oil on these G8s, you gotta make sure the car level. Right now, the car not level. That full turn rotation. And not too tight though. But I say right there. I say right there. Not too tight. Yep. Should be good. I hear that. More oil draining out of that boy. He almost done. I'm showing you how much to put in that boy. This the oil right here. You can see if it got shores. And... Oh, yeah. It got some, a little bit. Oh, those bubbles. What those look like bubbles, but I can't tell. It's starting to die down. I'll just wait until it turn into drips to put the plug back in. All right, so what I like to do is wipe off the board. All right, got it. Now we about to go put it back in. It's good clean. And make sure y'all screw it on by hand first, so it don't cross thread. You'll be feeling shitty, boy. You'll be feeling shitty if this crosses 30.
I won't go with that cat.
You have to get your whole. Make sure that boy on there as tight as you can, hand tight. But yeah, let's start tightening that boy up. Right there, I say. Good thing I didn't have to rejack the car, so good. Easier on me, man. Easier on me. I broke my big funnel, so I gotta use a little funnel. Just start filling this boy up now. Yeah, start filling this boy up. Oh, I'm missing. Yeah. Put a whole bottle in there. All right, just put all the oil in there. Keep the bottle because you want to recycle the all oil. So keep the bottle. This 5 quarts. The second bottle. Make sure there's 5W30 before you start putting shit in there. See? Almost fucked up. You see that? 30 heavy. This not what I wanted. But I caught that before I put that shit in there. It's not 5W30. I'm finna run the autos on real quick. The last one is not 5W30, so yeah. They say that you can't, then you gotta make it. So right now, I'm on my way to AutoZone because apparently I wasn't looking and I grabbed the wrong oil. So we finna go handle this right now. But the thing about the Neon, you see, is that the wheel cylinder on this side is broken. So the brakes is gonna be bad.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
No lie. I'ma just chill and wait for the car to warm up to the line, then we green.
What if I take both hoes to the room? But I'm just being a fool and I can't lie. Toes be throwing up gang signs. If your girl do this behind your back, then I hate mine. But you chose to use your hands, boy. You bout to the rock. Now when she give me head, she look at me with her cockeyed eyes. When I choose to shoot, I got that aim like that Hawkeye guy. I can get any drug, you know, like I know a guy. If you try to take the stick out my hands, you gotta get a pry. Yo, bitch, some chop shit. She came across a samurai. I like a pirate taking hoes booty. Bitch, for that pussy, yeah, I'm bound to have it.
I could trade these in for, cause I grabbed the wrong bottle.
Is it oil?
Yeah.
I don't even start when you see that. You know what it is.
Yeah. This is what I gotta grab right here. For y'all Pontiac GX and the Plymouth, and y'all take this too. 5W30.
It's a screen.
Appreciate it. Alright, y'all.
Yeah, so for whatever reason,
Finna finish putting the oil in the car, you feel me? I got the replacement. Yeah. The old school B. The shoot. Poop, poop.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. One more bottle of oil. You can get y'all cheapest bottle of oil from the gas station.
If your friends come, I'm in that basement like the Goonies, and you better give me a piece of that chocolate. Bet I'm on it like Ford. I'ma lay you down like a picnic. You must see red just to see what my breast can pick. I'm so toxic, but my hoes really love my shit. Demolishing, I don't wash about to say my government. I stand on hydraulic press. Why you wondering? You be letting everybody stand on you. You deserve it, and you call yourself perfect. I know I done heard it. All that dick riding you do, you deserve a permit. It look like it hurt it. I be nervous by the time you die, your ass still gon' be in service. You spend all your money on a stick, no option. You still nervous. What's God?
I hit y'all when I get this. My bad. I hit y'all when I get this oil, man. We back, same thing. 5W30. Show y'all how it's done over here.
Okay.
That shit is a 2-pack of ass.
God. Oh my. Y'all hear it? Get out of there. But this boy got in an accident. I bought this boy with an accident, so I fixed it up. Had to throw a water pump and all that other stuff, but I try to get this to fit as much as possible, but it ain't gonna fit. I ain't gonna lie. So that's how y'all gonna tell it's me for
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself.
real. Yeah, that's how y'all gonna tell it's me. RT, I'm a D-badge it, so niggas won't tell it's a RT.
Write that down, write that down!
Unless they hear that bitch, even though I'm cutting off the mid mufflers and shit. I cut off the resonators already. Now we got strikes on that bitch. It's hanging a little bit, but that's cause the accident. Yeah, the mid muffler's gonna do his job. Right now, I'm gonna throw these bottles of oil in there. Oh, we good, nigga. We good. We good. Doing it in a cold. Yeah. Place these down. About to put the new bottle of oil in there. New bottles. Some stuff for this boy. 5W30 for the G8. I don't know if y'all take 540, 520.
Or synthetic.
Yeah. My bad, I probably look crusty and shit in the face. Yeah. But did y'all know that car oil used to be cooking oil? The car oil is cooking oil. We just decided to eat it.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell
I throw another bottle in there. Full bottle. Good deal. Whole thing. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That good old good oil. Same thing. This is both oil. Yeah. You see that thing? Yeah. I will say, well, first you gotta run it to make sure all the oil like circulate. Then it's gotta drop down to the pan, and that's gonna take like a few minutes. Set the hood down. It's my lucky day.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I think it's your alternator, y'all.
You are a loser. Simple. Accept it.
So I don't think these come with oil stick. I mean,
Yes, they do.
transmission stick. So we got this. The only thing that's on there. We're gonna check it. Read the hose. What the hose say? We don't know.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh my God.
Shit like this. Where is your dad? Where is your mom? Where is your family?
Well, my temporary cameraman got cold, so we gonna start the car. I put like half. Give it a little gas, like they do at the oil change places. You know, get that fluid circulating. Yeah, just gonna drop down to the oil pan. Let's see. Yeah. You know, check it. Make sure it's at the right level. If it's not at the right level, we add some more. If it's not, if it's at the right level, then we don't add no more. But if it's at the right level, shit, fuck it, I don't know. I'm fucking that shit up. Alright, we gonna check the oil now. It's been like 1 minute. And I have my hands moving and shit. Can't keep them steady. Oil hose. There we go. Throw it back in there. Wait. Put that back in there. Jiggle it a little bit. Jiggle it a little bit. Alright, see, we gotta add more. We gotta add that quart. It's not enough oil in here. Alright. More oil, here we come. We're just gonna throw the rest in here. Cause I think it's supposed to take like 1 5-quart bottle down 3. Should I just add the whole thing? As long as it's not too high, it's okay to be a little bit over. I'm saying like a little bit over the fill line, not too much over the fill line. But y'all shit gonna break, nigga. And don't blame me if that shit break, nigga, cause nigga, I don't got no money, nigga, and I don't got no lawyer, nigga. Y'all niggas gonna be stuck.
I won't go with that cat.
Have enough oil in your car. It's bad. It's best. Good for content. Work on my cars. Show y'all different ways. Yeah. And I got and I'm gonna throw this content out there too. Hold up. Show y'all boys what I got planned for this summer or spring. Have this summer. Hella content finna pop out. I already know some people, so we finna pop out with them boys for this summer. Probably spring, we don't know. Whenever it get warm. Get some gas. No higher than 2,000 RPMs. Take this out. Cause we don't need it no more. We not need it. Throw it over there.
No hate, but your pockets on the DIET. Tell y'all but that feed you so you want DIE.
Yeah. What up, y'all? Just gonna see. Don't remember, wipe. When you take out the dipstick, when you want to check the oil, wipe first. Put it back in there and check. And take it. And we got all our oil.
Nice.
Now we gotta pull out the whip. Everything. And about y'all. While the car cool, I'm gonna check my coolant. Make sure. Just heard some air get in there. All right, that bitch empty. So I'm gonna add some more coolant in there, cause you see. Anyway, empty. You don't want that. That's bad. You don't want your shit drying out. Starving the engine for being cool. So let me go grab that coolant real quick. It's an fuck is you talking about? You just gonna fill that boy up to the top. Oh, that's probably too hot before. It's the reason why that holder to bleed the system. See, Put it back on. Tight. Alright, there. Yeah. And now we're done. We're done with the G8. Just the oil change. Kind of a long process what I did, but shit, I got the shit done. 1 bottle of oil. But I got a return on tool. Put it back in here and just take it to a recycling place. Yeah. Don't forget to cock up y'all vehicles. Keep that boy from moving. But yeah, this line just showed y'all how to do the G8. The G8 oil change. Yeah. We see our boys on the next thing, which is the Plymouth Neon wheel cylinder. And yeah, lifelong.